In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a knowledge hub with Notion AI. Notion is a powerful tool that combines the functionality of documents, databases, and AI to help you organize your information effectively. Creating a knowledge hub is an excellent way to centralize your resources, making them easily accessible and manageable. So, let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your Notion homepage. This is where all your existing pages and workspaces are located. If you're not already familiar with Notion, you can access it through your web browser or the Notion app. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and the various options available in the side menu. Next, look for the Notion AI option on the left side menu. Notion AI is a feature that leverages artificial intelligence to enhance your productivity and creativity. By clicking on Notion AI, you're opening the gateway to generating new content or organizing existing information in innovative ways. This feature can be particularly helpful when you're setting up your Knowledge Hub, as it can assist with structuring the content effectively. Now, it's time to type in a prompt for your Knowledge Hub page. Think about the kind of information you want to gather and how you want to structure it. Your prompt should reflect the purpose of your Knowledge Hub, whether it's for personal reference, team collaboration, or project management. This step is crucial because the AI will generate content based on the prompt you provide, so be as clear and specific as possible. Once you've generated content using Notion AI, open your Knowledge Hub page. This is where you can start customizing the layout and design to fit your preferences. Notion offers a range of customization options, from adding headers and subheaders to including images, links, and databases. Take some time to experiment with these features to create a layout that's both functional and visually appealing. As you work on your Knowledge Hub, remember that the goal is to make information easily accessible and organized. Think about how you will use this hub and who else might be accessing it. Consider creating sections or categories for different types of content, such as articles, tutorials, or project notes. You can also link related pages or databases within your hub for easy navigation. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully built a knowledge hub using Notion AI. This hub will serve as a centralized repository of information, tailored to your specific needs. Remember, the key to a successful knowledge hub is organization and accessibility, so continue to refine and update it as needed. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you find your new knowledge hub both useful and inspiring.